to start affiliate marketing. Do you know that there are products online that cost $1,000 or more to purchase, and selling those will earn you up to 80% of its price? You heard it right. That's about $800 per sale. In this video, we are diving into the digital world of affiliate marketing, a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting product and earn commission on sales. I will answer the top question you have. What is affiliate marketing? What are the best platforms to use? How do you get started? Stick around and you will not only understand the basic, but also gain insight to maximize your earnings. I have done this on multiple platforms and managed to earn 6 digits in just a few months. I have put a lot of effort to compile the best tips and strategies, ensuring you have a solid foundation to succeed. Now, let's get started. First, what is affiliate marketing? Imagine this, you're sitting in your cozy home office, waking up to email saying you have made money overnight. Sound like a dream, right? Well, it's possible through affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sales made through your unique referral links. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement. You get to promote product you trust and earn a commission, while the product creator get more exposure and sales. To excel in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to pick products that resonate with your audience needs and interests. This way, you're not just selling, but providing value, which builds trust and leads to more and consistent sales. Those 9 of the top affiliate marketing platforms could help you turn your skills and passion into profit. First up is Amazon Associates, one of the most popular choices out there. It allows you to earn commission on an immense range of products, giving you the flexibility to promote items that align with your niche. Next is ClickBank. It specializes in digital products. It offers a broad selection across various niches, making it go-to for those who prefer promoting ebooks, software, and online courses. Share a sales boosts a network of thousands of products from various merchants. Its user-friendly interface makes it simple to find it and promote products that match your audience interests. Then there's Rakuten, a global affiliate network offering a diverse range of products. Its international reach makes it ideal for those targeting a global market. Skim links take a unique approach by converting regular links into affiliate links automatically. This makes it incredibly easy to monetize your content without much extra effort. CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction, is a robust network with a wide variety of products and merchants. Its detailed reporting tools help you track your performance effectively. Linkshare connects affiliates with a diverse array of merchants, offering numerous products to promote. Its broad selection ensures you can find products that resonate with your audience. For those into outdoor gear, AdventLink is a top choice. It specializes in outdoor and adventure products, making it perfect for niche bloggers and influencers in this space. Lastly, Max Boundary focuses on digital products, providing a wide audience of options in various niches. Its strong reputation in the affiliate marketing world makes it a reliable choice. Those platforms offer vast opportunities to monetize your content. Explore them, find what fits best with your audience, and start turning your online presence into a revenue stream. Now, how to start affiliate marketing? When it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing, choosing the right platform to share your content can make or break your success. Now, let's dive into how to pick the best platform by considering a few crucial factors. First and foremost, think about where your target audience hangs out. Are they scrolling through Instagram, watching YouTube videos, or engage in Reddit communities? It's vital to know this because you want to put your content where your potential customers are most active. For example, if you are promoting fitness product, Instagram is a gold mine given its visual nature and large fitness community, On the other hand, if your niche is tech gadgets, YouTube might be more effective since detailed reviews and tutorials thrive there. Next up is the type of content you produce. Different platforms are suited for different types of content. If you excel at making engaging videos, YouTube should be your go-to. Its vast user base and the power of video content can drive significant traffic to your affiliate links. Instagram and TikTok are perfect for short, visually appealing content. Matching your content type with the right platform ensures your message is delivered in the most effective format. Another crucial factor is competition. Some platforms are saturated with affiliate marketers, making it hard to stand out. Look for platforms where the competition is not too intense, giving you a better chance to capture your audience's attention. For instance, Pinterest is often overlooked but can be a goldmine for certain niches like DIY craft, home decor, and fashion. It's less competitive than Instagram and can drive tons of traffic with the right strategy. Monetization options should also influence your decision. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram not only allow you to share affiliate links, but also offer additional monetization methods. Let's not forget about the algorithm. Each platform has its own way of promoting content. Understanding and leveraging those algorithms can give your affiliate marketing a significant boost. YouTube algorithm, for example, favors watch time and engagement. So creating content that keeps viewers hooked is crucial. Instagram prioritizes content from accounts that users engage with frequently, so interacting with your followers regularly can increase your visibility. Lastly, consider your strengths and resources. If you are great at video editing and comfortable on camera, YouTube or TikTok could be your best bet. If writing is your strong suit, focus on blogging or platforms like Medium. Platform to your strength ensure you create high-quality content consistently, which is key to successfully affiliate marketing. Now, I want you to listen carefully with this one. Selecting the right platform for your affiliate marketing involving understanding where your target audience spend the time, aligning the platform with your content type, assessing competition levels, exploring monetization options, leveraging platform algorithm, and playing to your strength. By carefully considering those factors, you can choose a platform that's not only amplify your reach, but also maximize your earnings. All of those are just the beginning. Your next step is to choose any platform that you want to share your content. It can be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, TikTok, name it all. We have everything that you need, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.